this number has a name and millions of people have heard of it. Can you guess what it is? Hello everyone, I'm Upasana Taneja, and in this video we need to find out the value of this infinite continued fraction. This is infinite, right? So we have done many questions of this type when you get like infinite fraction like this, right? So how will I proceed? How will we proceed always in these types of question? If you see, this is 1 plus 1 by up to so on, 1 plus 1 by up to so on, 1 plus 1 by like this, right? So if is this 1 plus is this is same as this whole, are you understanding this? Try observing. Whatever this whole is, like if we have all this like full fraction, if I just remove this quantity from here, I am still left with like this thing, right? If I remove these two. And what is this? This is also like this same. They are same only, right? So how can I write it as? I can write it as x is equal to 1 plus 1 and whole upon this quantity, this thing is also equal to x only. So I will write it as 1 plus 1 by x. Are you getting my point? Like we always do. Suppose I say x is equal to a plus 1 by a plus 1 by a plus 1 by a up to so on infinity, then what you can do? You can just remove this quantity from here and write it as x only, because this whole quantity is x. So just accept first one, you can write rest of the quantity as x. Okay. Similarly, this is what I did here. I can write it as x is equal to 1 plus x, right? Now multiplying with x on both sides, we get x square is equal to x plus 1. And this can be written as x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now since I need to find out the value of x, and this is a quadratic equation, right? So how will I solve? You know the roots of quadratic equations are minus b if you have ax square plus bx plus c as a quadratic equation, and you need to figure out the roots. You need to find the roots. This is the formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? What is a here? A is 1, b is minus 1, and c is also minus 1. So x is equal to minus b, that will become plus 1, plus minus b square. B square is what? Minus 1 square, that is 1, minus 4 times a times c, right? By 2, that is equal to 1 plus minus 1 plus 4, that will become 5 by 2. So you get two roots. First is x is equal to 1 plus under root 5 by 2, and another is 1 minus under root 5 by 2. Since under root 5 is 2 point something, this will give negative value, which is not possible. Why? This is like infinite. You are adding them, 1 plus 1 plus 1. You are adding something, right? Up to infinite term, positive number. So this will always be a positive number. So what is our answer? Our answer is this. This is our answer. And this is known as golden ratio. Okay. This thing is also known as golden ratio, and you should know that, right? So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel. And if you like to watch maths riddles, you like to solve them, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.